Are you girls ready?
Yeah!
Hi folks, welcome to Little Farm Big Dreams. My name's Denise. My husband Darren and our daughters Grace and Abby are heading into the city today to go see Come From Away, the musical. We've been wanting to take the kids to see this musical since it was born, and so today's the day that we're driving into the city to go see it with the girls. You excited, Grace? Yeah. Chickens, take good care of the house. We'll be back tomorrow. Are you girls ready?
Yeah!
Off we go. Where are we going?
Toronto! Come From Away!
Toronto! Okay, wait, where are we going?
Toronto!
What are we going to Toronto for?
Toronto!
Where are we going?
Toronto!
Why are we going to Toronto? Where are we going?
Toronto!
What are we going there for? Where are you going, Darren?
Crazy!
Yeah.
Hello, hello.
Oh, hello, Annie. Izzy and Tilly are settled in. Thank you for taking care of our doggies.
No problem. I don't like the decor. I'm not part of this joke. I don't know what they're doing.
Going to show. Yay! We got some gluten-free takeout.
Yeah.
Almond butterfly. If you're ever in the Toronto area, you won't regret it. This is our breakfast tomorrow. So I got the Cali salad. That looks like chicken Caesar salad, actually. That's Darren's chicken Caesar. This is the Cali salad. Oh my gosh, that looks glorious. Oh, candied pecans. Are they candied? Yep. Grilled chicken, pickled onion, avocado, cherry tomatoes, seasonal greens. I will. Playing Moon River.
We're not going back down that alleyway. We're in Batman. English horn.
Where's Abby? Abby, get in there. Where's Abby? Darren, get closer. Hey.
What? You're doing video?
Yeah, I want to know what you guys thought of the show.
I loved it.
Oh, isn't it amazing?
Yeah.
Should everybody in the world who can see it go see it?
Yeah.
Go see Come From Away.
Or just get Disney Plus.
Ready to go to the bathroom, girls? Oh, Tilly's like, can't wait, yay, yippee. Thanks, honey. Other side.
Hello.
See you down there.
Bye.
We have left the farm to come downtown to the city of Toronto to a farmer's market. It is one of our favorite stops. We used to come here regularly when we lived in the city, and it's called the Brickworks Farmer's Market, and it's in an old brick factory. It is so cool.
That's awesome. Have a seat.
Look at those crepes.
Oh, that's really good. That sauce is really good.
That sauce is really good.
It has tofu and carrots and greens. Gracie, what's in your crepe? Darren, what's in your crepe?
I don't know. Gracie got it for me. You'll have to ask her.
In my crepe, there's mushroom, garlic, sauteed onions, spinach, mozzarella cheese, and garlic sauce. And in his, there's onion, mozzarella cheese, garlic, mushroom, egg, garlic sauce, and extra hot sauce.
And extra garlic.
And extra
then
garlic. And there's no egg in yours?
Oh, and crispy onion in yours too.
Oh man, you nailed it.
There's no egg in yours?
No. Or there's not supposed to be egg in it, but they ran out of mushrooms, so I had them put an egg in it. It was just a little bit. Oh, there is tofu in this. Is it good?
He left you hanging.
Yeah, because there's sauce all over her hands. No, right there, right there, right there. There you go. Nailed it.
It came with a peanut dressing, but we prefer the miso one. So. It has some wild rice. Oh my gosh, look at that. Sweet potato and broccoli, carrots, microgreens. It's hard to delicately eat a salad. We had such a wonderful little getaway as a family. We hadn't done that in a really, really long time, and it was so great. Oh, and that musical. It is so good. I love musicals. We love musicals. Darren, Darren wasn't a fan really of musicals when we first met, but it's kind of a prerequisite if you're going to marry me. Are you a fan of musicals? If you are, let me know what your favorite musical is down in the comments. And if you're not a fan of musicals, well, I guess we can still be friends. Thanks so much for being here, folks. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.